Hey guys, I think this is part 4? Yeah, this is part 2. No, this is episode 4. Part 2 on plants. Now, I actually worked on plants myself without YouTubing it. But this is what I got done so far. I looked over probably 4 minutes of the other video. So I didn't really know what I got done. So I got the tree done, the cave, the big tree. I think I got that done last episode. The cave and the water hole I got done too. And last episode, I saw that the sand piece was right there and I fixed that. I think it looks a lot better now. The tree and the meerkat territory. I think today we'll be working on the animals. I think there's going to be either 3 or 2 parts to this. And this part right here, this grass piece, isn't like the other piece. It's a small grass piece inside a bigger grass piece to make it stand out more. And I think that's about it with plants. But we're not done yet. I'm not making a 1-minute video for part 2 on grass. What's Africa without animals? Africa has the second biggest, no wait. The Amazon rainforest in South America has the biggest number of animals and plants, I think. Africa, I think, comes second. Yeah, the animals. Our first one is, it is a buffalo calf, but who wants to think of it as a wildebeest calf? Think it works? And I meant to put the camera this way. Leave a comment if you like it upward or sideways. I think I'm going to leave it sideways for the rest of this episode. Next up is a giraffe. Great. Next up is another giraffe. Actually, if we get 3 or 4 giraffes in a row. Not really eating leaves. Next up, I think this is going to be called, the title of this episode is going to be There Giraffe, Everywhere Giraffe. There giraffe, everywhere giraffe, giraffe. Grooming each other. I think the title of this episode is going to, yeah, there's another giraffe. I think the title of this episode is going to be a giraffes in all caps with 2 exclamation marks. I think now I'm just constantly getting giraffes. No, put it back in there. There we go. Water buffalo. But I like to think of it as a wildebeest. Get your mommy. Next up. No. Let's take a break on giraffes. Zebra. That was my first zebra, I think. Yeah, that was my first zebra. I know the title of this episode now. I now know the title of this episode. Crocodile. So far we got 5 giraffes, 2 wildebeest, and a zebra, and a crocodile. Hyena. And I'm making these videos like 5 to 6 minutes long. There's a hyena. There's a flamingo. And, Dakota and Steve, if you're watching this, Dakota, if you're watching this, never mind. She's on this. I know the title of this episode now. He has no ears, so he has no idea what I'm saying. I might get a new one of him. I'm not 100% sure because he has no ears anymore. Oh, that remember. Who is it? You're in?
Are you doing a video?
Yes.
Finish the video and come in my room.
Okay. Alrighty. Another giraffe. Please tell me this is the last giraffe. Please. I think that is the last giraffe. Yeah, I think that is. Ostrich female. That's a female as well. Leopard. Ostrich male. I used to have an ostrich chick. I don't know what happened to it. It would be right there if I had one. I had one. I don't know what happened to it though. It's really sad. A hippo. I think we got so many giraffes. Yes? You're in?
Can I? Hey, buddy.
Aardvark. Go play Ark. Cheetah female. There's the aardvark if I didn't show it already. Cheetah male. And lastly for this episode, our male zebra. And that's going to have to wrap it up for the video because I don't like to make my videos too long. Because then you guys just exit out because it's taking too long. So let's see. Hyena. 6 giraffes, an aardvark, a crocodile, 2 zebras, a hippo, 2 cheetahs, a flamingo, 2 ostriches, and 2 Cape buffaloes. See you guys next episode. Bye.